Ian here from the Touratech showroom in downtown Seattle, coming to you today to talk to you about this new unique storage solution from Touratech to fit your BMW F850 or F750GS. This is a toolbox that's molded exactly to fit with the BMW factory lower crash bars on these bikes. It won't fit if you've got one of the Touratech lower crash bar sets or if you have one of the larger Touratech skid plates, but if you have the factory bars and a factory skid plate or our low profile Expedition skid plate, it jumps right onto the bike. It's an easy installation. It's a great place to store your tire repair kit or a first aid kit or just some small things you'd want to keep with you on the road. It's got a lid right here on the top that's locked with a key. The lid removes very easily. You can access everything from the top. And in the event that there is some water that gets in, it does have a small drain hole here at the bottom. So the toolbox is not totally watertight, but it won't get a puddle in the bottom of it in normal adventure riding. If you want to learn more about this product, visit our website, touratech-usa.com.